everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your energy partner, Carson. Clean energy is changing the world, especially the development of lithium batteries, with application of industrial and commercial energy storage more and more widely. This is the trend of future energy development. Next, MeritSun is launching a new section on how to make a DIY industrial and commercial grade energy storage system based on your needs. This program is not only an exchange of technical strength, but also an in-depth discussion of future energy management and sustainable development. As we know, with the development of economy and society, our demand for energy is increasing. The problems such as power supply and power failure encountered by enterprises and factories in their daily operations are worth thinking about. Industrial and commercial energy storage effectively solves this problem. It helps enterprises improve energy efficiency, save costs, and provide a stable power supply. Whether you're looking to upgrade your business's power infrastructure or just curious about energy storage, our guide will take you step by step to unlock this mysterious realm. In the next video, we will give you a comprehensive explanation of battery packs, cabinets, BMS, thermal management system options, and more. Let's explore the secrets of industrial and commercial energy storage and start this exciting learning journey.